Welcome to GoLogica. Hello everyone. Today we discuss about AI with Deep Learning Course. Roadmap. About course. Prerequisites. Eligibility criteria. Roles and responsibilities. Salaries about training. Conclusion. About course. An AI with Deep Learning Course is a complete program designed for learners with the knowledge and skills to build, train, and deploy advanced artificial intelligence models using deep learning techniques. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, focuses on neural networks with multiple layers that mimic the human brain's structure and functionality. This course typically covers foundational concepts such as neural networks, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and generative adversarial networks, GANs. It also delves into practical applications like image recognition, natural language processing, NLP, speech recognition, and autonomous systems. Participants learn to use popular deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras, gaining hands-on experience through real-world projects and case studies. The course often includes topics like optimization algorithms, regularization techniques, and hyperparameter tuning to improve model performance. Additionally, it emphasizes ethical considerations and the societal impact of AI technologies. By the end of the course, learners are equipped to design and implement cutting-edge AI solutions, making them valuable contributors to industries like healthcare, finance, robotics, and more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, an AI with Deep Learning course offers the tools and knowledge to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence. The prerequisites for an AI with deep learning training. The prerequisites for AI with deep learning training include a basic understanding of programming, particularly in Python, as it is the primary language used in AI development. Familiarity with fundamental mathematics, such as linear algebra, calculus, and statistics, will be helpful in understanding machine learning concepts. Knowledge of machine learning basics or prior experience with data analysis is also advantageous. While not mandatory, having an understanding of software development or data science will enhance your learning experience. Eligibility criteria for AI with deep learning training. Basic understanding of programming languages like Python. Familiarity with machine learning concepts is advantageous. A background in computer science, engineering, or related fields is preferred. No prior experience in deep learning is required, but enthusiasm to learn is essential. Basic knowledge of mathematics, especially linear algebra and calculus, is helpful. Open to professionals and students interested in AI and machine learning careers. Ideal for individuals seeking to transition into AI roles or enhance existing skills. Here are the roles and responsibilities of AI with deep learning. AI specialist, design and implement. AI models to solve complex problems using machine learning algorithms and deep learning techniques. Deep learning. Engineer. Develop, train, and optimize neural networks to improve the accuracy and efficiency of AI systems. Data scientist. Analyze large data sets and build machine learning models to derive actionable insights and predictions. AI researcher. Conduct research on new AI algorithms and methodologies, particularly in deep learning, to advance the field. Machine learning engineer. Build and deploy scalable machine learning models that leverage deep learning architectures for various applications. AI solutions. Architect. Design AI-powered systems and frameworks, integrating deep learning models to meet business requirements. AI product manager. Oversee the development of AI products, collaborating with teams to incorporate deep learning technologies into product features. Computer vision engineer. Implement deep learning models for image recognition, object detection, and video processing tasks. Natural language processing, NLP, engineer. Develop AI systems to understand and generate human language using deep learning techniques. AI trainer. Train deep learning models using large datasets, ensuring accuracy and performance meet business needs. Here are the roles and salaries of AI with deep learning. AI engineer. Develops intelligent systems using AI algorithms. Average salary, $120,000, $150,000 per year. Deep learning engineer Specializes in designing neural networks and deep learning models. Average salary, $110,000, $145,000 per year. Data scientist. Analyzes complex data using AI and ML techniques. Average salary, $95,000, $130,000 per year. Machine learning engineer. Implements machine learning models for predictive analytics. Average salary, $100,000, $135,000 per year. AI research scientist. Conducts research to advance AI methodologies. Average salary, $125,000, $160,000 per year. Computer vision engineer. Develops AI solutions for image and video analysis. Average salary, $105,000, $140,000 per year. Natural language processing, NLP, engineer. Focuses on AI algorithms for text and speech understanding. Average salary, $110,000, $145,000 a year. AI product manager. Oversees the development and launch of AI products. Average salary, $120,000, $160,000 per year. About training. GoLogica offers a complete AI with deep learning course that equips you with the skills to master AI algorithms and deep learning techniques. With hands-on experience using tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch, you'll gain the expertise needed for roles in AI and machine learning. The course includes certification upon completion, validating your skills for potential employers. GoLogica also provides resume-building support to showcase your new expertise and interview Q&A sessions to help you prepare for real-world job opportunities. Learn at your own pace with expert guidance and take your career to the next level with GoLogica. Conclusion. GoLogica AI with Deep Learning Course is a comprehensive training program designed to equip you with the essential skills to thrive in the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence. With a focus on deep neural networks, machine learning techniques, and hands-on experience with leading AI frameworks, this course prepares you for real-world applications and challenges. Whether you're aiming for a career as an AI engineer, data scientist, or deep learning specialist, GoLogica provides the tools, knowledge, and guidance to help you succeed. Enroll today and take the first step towards becoming an expert in AI and deep learning, with personalized support for resume building and interview preparation to ensure your success in the job market.